Hey guys, welcome back to Build with Nick. I'm Nicolai Abano, and today we're going to discuss the last part of the house construction, which is the external fit out. A few days ago, I did the internal fit out, so if you haven't watched that video, go to my YouTube channel, type in internal fit out. Alright, so with the external fit out, the first thing that they did after the internal fit out was the paving. So as you can see with my paving, it is quite big since it is a rear block. Normally what includes with the paving is roughly 6 meters or 30 square meters of driveway paving. As you can see, my paving, I believe we have two separate colors, which is the first one is the white one, they call it tux, and the other one on the side, which is on the black paving, that we call it charcoal or black paving. So you have an option whether you want to put your paving in the corner or on the other side. So what I've done is instead of putting the ink, which is the black paving, I put it next to the white one. So white, black, and then white. So you can have black and then all white. It's up to you what type or what design of your paving you want to do. Alright, so the next one will be the installation of the fly screen. I think what happened was they installed the fly screen during the time that they installed the blinds. So inside the house, with the installation of the materials, it really depends on the availability of the product. There might be an instance that the fly screen will be put before the paving, or the fly screen will be installed before carpet. So it really varies in terms of the availability of the product, but normally they put the fly screen and the blinds, if I'm not mistaken, at the same time. Okay, so with the fly screen, every window has a fly screen. At the same time, every sliding door has a fly screen. So you might be asking, why do I have a fly screen instead of a security screen? Security screen is much more expensive. So my plan is to put security screen along the way. When you're building a house, always remember your budget. You don't need to have everything in one go. Do it one by one. So for me, I'm gonna put the security screen maybe within a few weeks. Alright guys, so the next one is the grano paving or the granite paving. This one has been done during the internal fit out. So they installed this one long before while they're doing the internal fit out. As you can see with my granite, I really like the design of the granite. There's a lot of circling around the granite. I'm not sure if you can see it, but yeah, it's not like a normal design. It's a lot of like circle around the granite. As you can see, the garage is quite big. It is 31 course ceiling, and we have few remaining paving that we can use later on. With this one, I have included a storeroom in my garage. Now, as you can see, we have few more carpets that I might be using this one as a mat. But the good thing about this storeroom is we have light as well. At the same time, we have this quite big space for a sliding shelf. So it is 4 shelves, and there we can have more storage above. So it's quite spacious storeroom. It really depends on the council if they require a storeroom. So normally they require at least 4 square meters storeroom or 4 meters storeroom. Alright, so apart from the storeroom, the connection of the Ethernet cable is in the garage as well. As you can see, I have 4 data ports inside my house that will be connected through NBN. So make sure before you guys move into your new house to arrange your NBN connection or with your service provider. Okay, so I have a few more pavings that we're gonna use for my driveway later on. Alright, so the most exciting part about external fit out is obviously the garage door or the roller door. So as you can see, I really like the color of my garage door. It is a terrain color. I'm trying to have a wood vibe in my house, a combination of industrial modern design with a touch of wood. As you can see, it's very spacious. Like I said, we have a 31 core ceiling, and this one is pure metal. I wanted to upgrade it to a more wood garage door, but it is much more expensive. But yeah, this one is massive, and I really like the color combination of my garage door and my contrast render. Alright, so the last part of the external fit out is the final painting of my house. So basically, before we wrap up everything, the 3D or the painter are gonna come in and they're gonna do the final touches of the painting, whether it is internal or external. As you can see, they've done the painting for my double doors. Previously, it was a basic pale timber door, but they've painted it with a cocoa black. I actually bought this one from Bunnings. Yeah, I really like the stain and the touch of the cocoa black on the wood. Apart from that, we have a friendly, my first visitor of my house, which is the grasshopper. I'm gonna call this one Andy. Andy the grasshopper. It's quite big. So that's it for the external fit out. The next one will be the PCI completion, but before that, we're gonna do the cleaning, basically removing the rubbish, the garbage, tidying up the place before the key handover. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video. If you have any question or clarification with the external fit out or how to build a house in general, comment below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the PCI completion. And yeah, I can't wait to share my house with you guys. Anyway, take care and see you soon. Bye!